Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, those who have not filled the form for the mentorship, they can fill the form, and this will be the last week since I'll be telling it. And after that, I'll be taking the sessions. So don't forget to fill the form. Now let's get started. So we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So I'm not anticipating the price to have a really volatile move. And we can have a move somewhat like the previous day. Now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that the price was sweeping the highs and moved into the downward direction. So currently what do we have here is we are having this FVG. So I'm anticipating that if the price has to go into the further upside direction, most likely the price is going to respect this FVG and move into the further upside direction. Else, if we fail this FVG, we are going to take this low. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in here. As we move into the weeklies, what we can see is that the price had swept the high and we had taken this low. Apart from that, we have disrespected this FVG, which is a sign that the price is bearish into the weekly range. So let's move to the dailies to see what do we have in here. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that we are having this FVG area, and the price yesterday made an FVG, and we can possibly take this previous day's high and then move into the further downward direction towards these equal lows. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have in here. In here actually. As we move to the 4 hours, we can see that this was the FVG area of the dailies, and the price is currently respecting some kind of order flow into the uh, chart, that is 4-hour chart. So I'm anticipating that we can see a slowdown at this range, and that is the FVG range of the daily, and then we can possibly see a reaction into the downward side because we are not having any FVG into the market, even into the 4 hours, that is bullish FVG into the market. So let's move to the 1 hours. So this is the 1 hour chart, and 1 hour is a bit clear than the 4 hours that the price is moving into the further upside direction, tapping the extremes of the price action move. So I'm anticipating that the price can possibly go up, take the previous day's high, and then we are going to move into the downward side. So let's move to the 30 minutes to see what do we have. Uh, the, I guess Asia session is not loaded here. Let me see. Okay, it is loading. It is loading. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. So now that we know that the Asia session is having equal highs here with the previous day's high, so for the current trade, possibly we can expect a upside move from this FVG, and then we are going to sweep this high, and then possibly we are going to disrespect some kind of a strong structure and then move into the further downward direction, because that will be the FVG of the daily, and we are also having this flip zone of the higher time frame. So that will be a best scenario for me, and to trade into the downward side, that we are going to take this equal highs and most likely the Asia high into the London session too, and then we are going to move into the further downward side. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments if you have any problem or confusion regarding any concepts. So this is pretty much it, and don't forget to fill the form. Thank you for watching.